Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Brown color, dark blue color, black color, yellow color, red color, orange color, purple color, light green color, sky blue color, violet color, dark green color. Let's learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for aeroplane. O for oxygen. V for vanilla. Light green color. B for box. P for parrot. Y for yum. Sky blue color. E for egg. L for lollipop. T for train. Dark green color. D for dolphin. R for ring. W for wax. Purple color. G for gun. N for nose. X for xylophone. Orange color. C for car. M for monkey. Z for zipper. Yellow color. H for house. K for kiwi. U for uniform. Violet color. F for fruits. J for juice. S for strawberry. Dark green color. I for insect. Q for question. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.